Alright, look at this. You get to see the whole inside of this one. Here, look at all the strings and everything. I believe this is for the big round bales. Plus, I'm not a farmer, so if I'm wrong, you guys let me know. But it looks like it's got all the strings here that wraps around the big round bale. Look at that. I opened this right up so we can see all the gears here.
Air conditioning, radio.
Wow, it's got everything. Look at all the chains. Look at that. Alright. And there you'll have your big round bales coming right at you. These belts and everything. Oh my goodness. Look at all that. Cool.
This fellow's here. Dressed up in his Sunday. Oh, I guess so.
This is a Kubota.